Hello everyone. In this video, let us discuss about the prokaryotic cell wall. So, in previous video, we have already discussed about the prokaryotic cell structure. But in that video, we have briefly seen about the cell wall. But here, we are going to study about the cell wall in detail. So, we all know that prokaryotes are also called as bacteria. So, bacteria are nothing but prokaryotes, and prokaryotes are nothing but bacteria. So, this is a bacterial cell I have drawn here. And if you see the bacterial cell, there is a green colored layer I have drawn here. Yes, this green colored layer is called as a cell wall. Okay, surrounding the bacteria, there is a layer called as cell wall that is drawn here in a green color. So if you see the cell wall, we all know that the composition of prokaryotic cell wall is peptidoglycan, right? So we all know this, but in this video we are going to study about the exact composition of the cell wall. That means what is the peptidoglycan, what exactly the peptidoglycan and how it is arranged, the cell wall arrangement we are going to see in this video. So here, see, this is peptidoglycan, right? So what is meant by peptido or nothing but peptides. Okay, so let's see how these peptides are formed first. So yes, this is the peptide formation. So there are actually many amino acids, like plenty of amino acids are present in our body. So I have drawn here different types of amino acids here. So these amino acids combine with each other. Like if they combine with each other, with the help of a bond. See here, I have drawn a bond between each amino acid. So each and every amino acid link with each other with this bond called peptide bond. Okay, so these scattered amino acids, if they are combined with each other, then they form a chain called peptide chain. See, this appears like a chain structure called chain structure, right? So this chain is called as a peptide chain. So one or two these peptide chains are combined, then they form a polypeptide chain. So this poly means many. Peptide chain means like this chain. Okay. So this polypeptide chain in turn forms a protein. So this is how from the basic amino acids the entire protein comes. So here there is a chain I have said. So this chain is called as a peptide chain, right? So this peptide chain is present in the cell wall of prokaryotes. So this is peptides means this is a peptide chain. So now I think you've understood about this peptides, right? So let's go with this glycan, the carbohydrate. Okay. So let's see how what are the type of carbohydrates present in this prokaryotic cell wall. So here is a structure called beta D glucose, right? This beta D glucose modifies and forms NAG, that is N-acetyl glucosamine. So here I've represented this NAG in red colored structure. So then this NAG, N-acetyl glucosamine, in turn modifies and form NAM called N-acetyl muramic acid. So here I have indicated this NAM as in green color. Okay, so these are nothing but carbohydrates, like NAG and NAM are carbohydrates. So we have done with the peptides and also the type of carbohydrates. So NAM and NAG and NAM along with the peptides are present in the prokaryotic cell wall. So peptide means this peptide chain, and the glycan means carbohydrates called NAG and NAM. Okay, we are done with the like the structures present in the prokaryotic cell. Now let us understand the arrangement of this peptidoglycan. See, here I have drawn the arrangement of peptidoglycan. If you can see here, these are the NAM. See, I have indicated NAM in green color. This is a of course carbohydrate, and another carbohydrate called NAG. It is indicated as green here. So, uh, these two carbohydrates are arranged in alternative way. If you observe here, see here, NAM is present in one row, and in an alternative row, NAG is present, and again the NAM presents, NAG present. So, they arranged in alternative way, right? So, these are nothing but a carbohydrates, and each NAM and NAG are interlinked with each other with a bond. So, this is the bond, and these two are carbohydrates, NAG and NAM. So they are interlinked with each other. So we are done with the carbohydrates now. So I have drawn here, see, there is a blue colored chain, right? If you can see, there is a blue colored chain hanging. So what is this blue colored chain? This is nothing but a peptide chain, a small peptide chain composed of one, two, three, four. Four amino acids. So this small peptide chain contains a four amino acids. So this is attaching to the NAM, a carbohydrate called NAM. But it, if you can see, there is no chain attached. There is no linkage attaching to this NAG, right? There are no amino acid chains or peptide chains attaching to the NAG. Only to the NAM, the amino acid chain, the peptide chain is attached here, right? So this is one type of peptide chain, and also there is another type of peptide chain which consists of five amino acids. See here, I have drawn in brown color. See, one, two, three, four, five. So it consists of this brown colored peptide chain consists of five amino acids, and here this blue colored peptide chain consists of four amino acids. So here what happens? This brown colored peptide chain, which is consisting of five amino acids, are forming a linkage between these two blue colored peptide chains. So these brown colored peptide chains are forming interlink, cross link between this blue colored peptide chain. So this is how they arrange. So they interlink with each other. This is how they interlink with each other. So if you zoom out and see, it appears like a network like structure. So it appears, the cell wall is appears like network like structure. And if you observe here, there are carbohydrates present here, NAM and NAG. We also call these as glycans. Carbohydrates are also called as a glycans, and these are peptide chains, right? These are peptide chains, and these are glycans. So here the glycans are nothing but a carbohydrates. These carbohydrates, glycans, and the peptide chains are interlinked with each other. So here the glycan plus peptides together called as a peptidoglycan. So this is how the peptidoglycans are arranged. This is how the cell wall looks like. So this is all about the peptidoglycan, the cell wall. I hope this you like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe, share, and like. Thank you.